So let's install BlueJ on Linux. I run Xubuntu, which is a distro based on Ubuntu that uses the XFCE desktop. And do note that we will be using the terminal to install BlueJ. It's nothing too fancy. There is only one command, and I will link that command in the description so that you can just copy and paste it. And if you are using another distribution like Fedora or OpenSUSE, your commands will slightly vary because they use a different package manager, but I'm sure you'll be able to manage it anyway. So let's go to bluej.org. Once you go to bluej.org and scroll down, we can see that there is an option for Ubuntu/Debian. So let's click on that option, and we are directed to a screen where it asks us where we want to save our file. You can save your file anywhere, but you will not be needing this installation file after you have installed BlueJ. And to make it easy to follow along with me, it would be better if you save your this installation file in downloads. So let me save it in downloads, and let's wait for it to install. So while you are waiting for it to install, open your terminal and type the following command: sudo space apt space install space. Now we have to know where exactly in the system we have downloaded our BlueJ, basically the BlueJ installation file. So if we click show in folder, we can see that this is present in /home/javas/downloads. So we need to write this exact path in the terminal so that the computer knows where to look for the installation file. So sudo apt install /home/javas/downloads/ now we have the name of the file we downloaded, which is bluej-linux-503.deb. and if you are downloading a different version, the name would slightly change. So let's remember, we have to write the name of the file exactly as it's given. So if the B and J are capital, that's what we have to do. So now once we have entered the name of the file, which is bluej-linux-503.deb, we can click enter. And this will prompt you for your password. Since I recently used a command where I already gave the password, it hasn't asked the password for me just yet, but this will prompt you for your password. And once you enter the password, you can start, the installation procedure will start. And remember that after it gets installed, there is nothing else you have to do. You just have to go to your applications menu and search for BlueJ. So let's wait for it to install. Let's give it a few seconds. And I will keep my application menu ready. So we can see that the progress is still at 20%, and there we go. So once you see, and don't be worried if you see this message that the download is performed unsandboxed as root as file, and basically if you see this permission denied message, it looks scary, but this is just a notice, and this does not actually impact the performance of BlueJ by any means. So let's exit the terminal, and once we exit the terminal and go to our applications menu, we can see that BlueJ has now been installed. And there you have it.